Welcome to My Life, Your Life, Sling Life. And this is the Haji edition. We're about to take a ride out to the Florida Fairgrounds today and hit the streets today for a little while. We're gonna go to the gun show, check out some guns. Maybe thinking about buying maybe a 38 special, something small, something a little small to conceal, carry, while I'm riding the Haji edition out here in the streets. And just to keep me a little bit of comfort out here at night, you know what I mean? So here we go. We're about to launch off. We got it all out already in the garage, all cleaned up. She's ready to hit the streets today. And this is what we're doing today. So alright, so let's check it out. Let's go out there, let's hit this gun show, and let's see what kind of guns they got out there, you know? First Amendment right. You know, get to carry yourself with them, you know? But you gotta carry it smartly. You know? Alright. So we'll be right back with you guys in a few minutes. We're gonna hit these streets and I'll get back to you. About to leave the neighborhood, doing our little circle around the neighborhood. And gonna hit these streets, man. It's a hot, beautiful day out here in Florida today, man. A little too hot, really. I should have put some shorts on, put these jeans on. But yeah, so we're leaving the compound now, waiting for these nice gates to open up to let me out of the neighborhood. And let's see what these streets got to offer today, man. Nice weather. Alright, so we pulling up to the Florida Fairgrounds. Go look at this gun show, go check it out. Go see what kind of guns we can see, you know, see if maybe we purchase something. Like I said, I was looking for a 38 special. Something without the handle, you know, without the hammer. I forgot what they call that. Somebody out there let me know what they call that. When it doesn't have the little hook on the hammer. So yeah, so that's what I'm looking for, a 38 special. Maybe Smith & Wesson, I don't know. We're gonna look, we're gonna see. See all the big guns, little guns, small guns, all sizes, some bigger than me. So let's see. Alright, we're gonna go check it out. Welcome to the Florida State Fairgrounds. And this is gun activity, baby. First Amendment rights. Strap up. So we at the gun show. We are at the gun show and we are about to walk around, look at these guns, and see if we can find out what we're looking for. Alright? Girly gun. Girly gun. That's a girly gun. These. It's really like my son's aerosol gun. This is a real boy. Oh man, look at this. They got some guns for you. Look at this right.
Shotgun.
You save some money on ammo with this. Oh, look at folding stock. It's like a little Uzi. It's cool. Camel painting on it. What you looking at? Looking at guns? This right here is best. Best home defense. This shotgun right here. Best home defense right here. This is nice. Oh yeah, this is nice. Oh, this is what I'm looking for. No, we're not looking at for tourists. Look at this, how small this one is. Yeah. Well, this is just what I got. The bodyguard right here. Good gun. Real small concealed carry. Real light. Not heavy at all.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab my buddy. Yeah, he's about to call your name up there. Just tell him to hold up there, and he's gonna call you in just a second.
He told you to kick box, man.
Did he actually say that?
I'm just getting
A lot of guns.
I mean, it's just.
This is badass. I don't like this stump. It's like missing this part. But it's cool, small. Yeah. Yeah, that shit is heavy. I was just missing this stuff. These rifles. Look at this. Shit. What the hell is this? This is a shotgun. Oh, this is a hell of a shotgun here. Shit. $6.99. Kel-Tec. It's a damn shotgun. Oh, shit. It's a double barrel shotgun. I see that shit. This got a double barrel shotgun. They must shoot both out of both holes. You see this? A double barrel. So shoot shotgun shells out of both holes at the same time. You know what kind of fucking kickback this shit's gonna do for you? Probably. What kind of hole in the wall it's gonna do? See, you got two holes in there. Put the ammo. No, That's just the grip. Right here is when you feed it through here.
Por aquí va algo también. Es something that goes in
There ain't nothing going in there. That's just hollow. I don't think nothing goes in there. It goes all through here. Look at the hole right here.
So paperwork's going to be 2 cents. And
Look at this.
running slow.
That little gun was 700, right? This is 700.
If we don't get you out of here today, cash, you take it today. Come back along for free. Pick it up. We'll do the background check for you. Second. Yeah.
What the hell? This is silencer. This be a suppressor right here. Make the bullet come out quiet. It's nice. Yeah. Oh. All right, so we're done at the gun show here at the Florida State Fairgrounds. Beautiful day out here in Tampa, Florida. Hot as hell today. I'm talking about the humidity is just disgusting. It's uncomfortable. But anyway, we looked around. I didn't find a 38 special that I wanted, and they had it in silver, but they didn't have it in all black, hammerless. I wanted it all black, so maybe next time, or maybe I'll shop around in one of the gun stores around here in Tampa and see if I see anything I like. But you got a lot of other people out there that bought some nice guns. I'll show you a lot of different guns that we looked at, just browsing by them, looking at them. And now we're off to get some lunch. Now that's a discussion in its own. Now we got to find out where we're gonna go eat. We don't know. So got my wife in the passenger seat, so we'll let her make the decision as far as where we're gonna go eat, you know. She does all the cooking in the house, so I'll let her make the decision out here in the streets for as far as food concerned. So hey, we'll get back to you guys here in a minute. About to hit these streets and go get some food. Check back in a minute. So this is where we end up for lunch, baby. Hooters. Hooters. That's what's for lunch. That's what's on the menu. That's what's on the menu. Some Hooters. You know, we all enjoy them Hooters. All right, I'll get back with y'all. I'm gonna check into these Hooters. Have me a beer too. 2 beers down, wings to go. Hooter ladies. Like I said, 2 beers down, wings to go. I'm ready to go. Have me some wings at the house. Relax. I'm tired. Alright. So we home. Like, share, subscribe. Hit the bell notification. Get on my channel. Haji Sling Life. My life, your life, Sling Life. We about to sit down and eat some wings that we bought at Hooters. And then my little babies, they go crazy. My little babies, they go crazy. So we about to do that. Eat some wings. And let me see what else we get into tonight. All right. Gun show done. Didn't get to buy anything. Maybe next time. We'll see what happens. All right. So I'm out. I'm gonna eat my wings. There go my babies. It's a wrap.